Hey everyone, this is Mike from theparkprodigy.com, and on today's video we are going to break down 5 things that we simply love about staying at the Walt Disney World, Swan, or Dolphin Resort. So we actually just stayed at the Dolphin on one of our most recent trips, and we actually just put up a great room review for anyone thinking about staying at either one of these properties. So we just wanted to take it one step further and kind of bring it outside of the room and just let you guys know some of the cool things that we really love about these two unique Walt Disney World resorts. And if you guys do stick around till the end of this video, I'm going to fill you in on how you can save a little extra money on your next Walt Disney World vacation if you do decide to book with theparkprodigy.com. So let's jump right in. Alright everyone, so before we get into number 5, I just have to let everyone know, for those listeners who are not familiar with the Walt Disney World Dolphin or Swan, they are in the middle of Walt Disney World on Walt Disney World property. However, technically they are not considered Walt Disney World resorts. They are owned and operated by the Marriott. But that brings me to number 5, and one of the things that we love about it is you can actually use your Marriott Reward points to book these rooms. So some of the cool things that my friends always do when we go to Walt Disney World is they just save up their credit card points and they use them at the Dolphin or the Swan resort, and which means that they're not really paying for the room. And yes, technically you can do this at some of the Walt Disney World resorts if you guys are a Visa Disney card holder. However, my understanding of the Dolphin and the Swan is you can kind of do this through a few of the different credit card companies, use a few of the different points. You don't specifically have to be a Marriott Rewards member to take advantage of this great perk. So that is number 5. Going over to number 4, and we're kind of going to stick with the price range of these rooms, and honestly, it really is a great value for what you get. Now, when we recently just stayed, we paid around $220 for a room at the Walt Disney World Dolphin. Now, the only downside of the prices is there is a resort fee per night, and I believe it's about $25 to $35. So yes, that could add up, and obviously it won't impact your final price that you pay for the hotel. However, when you compare that, let's say $250 price for the night compared to some of the resorts you get on Walt Disney World property, some nights the value resorts can get that high. If you go during the peak season, you'll probably be able to stay at a moderate resort. However, one of the issues I've always had with the moderate resorts are they are a little bit too spread out. So you have to be fully aware of that and okay with that. Obviously now with the Caribbean Beach Resort, you do have access to the Disney Skyliner, but that has kind of increased pricing a little bit. And also going into number 3, one of the things we love about the Dolphin or Swans is the rooms. So like if you guys are curious about what the rooms do look like, be sure to go check out that room review that we released a couple weeks ago. I'm going to be sure to leave a link to that video in the comment section, but you get a little bit more of the rooms at the Disney Dolphin or the Swan as compared to some of the other rooms, specifically the value resorts. Now obviously I love the value resorts, and especially now with the renovated rooms, I think they're a great value. But tying into number 2, I keep going down the list here, but now tying into number 2, for the location that you have, you simply can't beat this price. And for those of you who do not know, the Walt Disney World Dolphin and the Swan are located right in the middle next to the Disney Boardwalk, right between Epcot and Hollywood Studios. So now sticking with number 2, we're going to specifically talk about Epcot and Hollywood Studios. You guys can walk to Epcot very easily from the Dolphin or the Swan, and if you're up for it, it is about a 10 to 15 minute walk over to Hollywood Studios. Now sticking with going to the theme parks, if you do want to take the Disney Skyliner to Hollywood Studios, you can absolutely do that, and you can go walk over to the entrance, the back entrance of Epcot. You can hop on the Skyliner to go over to Hollywood Studios. So as you could see, the location really is everything. And number 1, right in the middle of all of this, is the Walt Disney World Boardwalk. And if you guys have not been watching our videos, I love the Disney Boardwalk. I love the fact that the Dolphin and the Swan are connected, and you could simply walk to the Disney Boardwalk. Now, this gives you so much more flexibility, even looking past the parks, right? Because you have access now to all of the restaurants and bars and ice cream parlors that are on the Disney Boardwalk within like literally a 5-minute walk, maybe not even, depending on how fast you walk. We're New Yorkers, we walk really, really fast. You are right there. You're pretty much on the boardwalk. So when you look at the prices and the rooms and the location, right? These are just a couple of things that we love, and me and all my friends, we stay there constantly. Yes, we stay at the Disney resorts, but if we're going down and we want to maybe, take advantage of our credit card points, like I said, all that good stuff, we have no problem staying at the Walt Disney World Dolphin or the Swan. Honestly, and I said it in the room review, the only problem I have with staying at these hotels is that they do not have the Disney Resort TV channel. That is literally the only problem I have. Now, I have heard that people say, I don't know even know where this came from, that the Swan is nicer than the Dolphin. I got to be honest, they're like the same resort. I mean, it's the same hotel. I've stayed in both of them. Yes, the lobbies are a little bit different, but I mean, let's be real. If you're basically just trying to save some money, go with the Dolphin. It's going to be a little cheaper. Rooms are just as nice. They're nothing crazy, but again, for the price, they are a great value. For the location, it is a tremendous value. And if you guys do need some help planning your next Walt Disney World trip, like I said, you can save some money on your next vacation package. For everyone who actually watched this entire video, I am running a promotion right now on my website, theparkprodigy.com. We're giving all first-time customers $25 off their vacation package. I am going to double that if you come to me and you tell me, Mike, I watched the Walt Disney World Top 5 Things, Dolphin or the Swan video. I'm going to give you $50 off your Disney vacation package on top of the already discounted packages that we provide to our clients. This is a great way for us to say thank you so much for supporting our social media channels, watching this video. If you did like this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you guys can get some more promos, check out the latest and greatest Disney vacation planning news, all that good stuff. I think that's all the time we have for today. Thank you guys so much, and I will catch you soon.